Hey, Saseni, what's going on? What's the game, Timore? Anyway, I don't know if any of you guys, baby, what are you doing?
No.
Shh.
No.
Shh.
No.
Shh.
No. Mommy. Mommy.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi. Can you keep quiet for a little bit? I need to talk.
Hi.
Can you keep quiet? Say hi. Say hi.
I say baby.
You baby?
Yes.
Good job, baby. Hi guys, what's the game, Timore? What's happening, y'all? So I don't know if you watched my last video, but I went to the beauty store after the grocery shopping and the store was closed. So if you're like me, your hair is looking crazy. There's nothing much you can, there's a lot of things you can do. You can braid your hair, you can do your protein treatment and all that. But today, I'm gonna show you one quick way you can revive your wig. My wig is old. I know you guys have seen this wig a lot. Let's see how old my old wig looks. Yani or nini? Just look. Huh? Look at that. Old. But since all the beauty stores are closed, I can't buy a new wig right now. Let me try it so we can see how I look like. Okay, here's me with my old wig. It's pretty dry. The curls are not even there like the way they used to be. But I love it. Like, I love this wig. If I get another one, I'll just probably cut it the same shape that I did. This was actually an afro wig, and then I cut the sides, and then like I made this style. It used to be pretty cute. I think it's still nice, but it's just, you know, gray and dull. So today we're going to revive our wig. Huh? Revival. Ew. A piece of the hair from my wig. It's gonna be revival day, revive our wig. So follow along, hopefully it helps you out. Okay, no more walking around with those old wigs. Okay, what you're going to need is going to be water, so we can boil our water, a plastic container so you can put the water in it, any kind of conditioner. This is just a conditioner. It doesn't have to be coconut, as long as it's a conditioner. Any kind of conditioner you have will do the trick. And here's the old wig, the old lady wig that we're going to revive, right? We're going to revive. Revival day for wigs. Anyway, you guys know I'm crazy, right? Let's get some water. Get it hot, get it boiling, and then we'll soak the wig inside the water after it boils. So I'm cooking too. Haha. Kill two birds with one stone. Okay, the water is starting to boil. Let's get the wig ready. Where's my wig? Where's my wig, guys? Baby! What are you doing with the wig? What are you doing with the wig? I want my wig back, baby. I want my wig back. Say hi.
Hi.
I have mommy's wig. You have mommy's wig?
Yes.
Or are you running with mommy's wig? Kids. Okay. Turn up our boiling water. Now that I have my wig back, we can get to some business. Okay. Okay, let's go dry it. Let's go dry it. Hi, baby. Yes. What's falling down? Okay. Woo! My backyard looks crazy, 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 crazy. We had a storm yesterday and it was raining and windy. So most of the leaves and stuff like fell on the ground. But the grass needs to be cut. Can you imagine this is just after 2 weeks? 2 weeks, guys. On any even grass can grow. Look at how much this grass has grown. I might do a video of me just cutting the grass. That's what quarantine life has made me do these days. Anyway, let's hang our wig so it can dry. Chair. Put on the chair. I put it in the sun on the chair. Let's see how it's going to look once it dries. Hey guys, let's see if my wig is dry, but no harm in checking out Big Bro. Strong. Anyway, is my wig dry? It's dry. Even the sun, you see the sun moved. It was here before and I moved all the way. So it's been a few hours. It's nice and dry. Any difference? I don't know. When you go to the house you can look and see. Let's go try it out. What do you guys think? Is there a difference? Is it still looking the same way? I think it's not looking like it's dying. I don't think it's looking like really gray. It's looking more black. But up top has been kind of raised, so I'm gonna get scissors, cut it up, shape it up, and then we'll see if it's, you know, something good. Scissors! That is a quick way to revive. Revive your wig. Revive your wig. Revive your wig. Revive your wig. Anyway, hopefully if you're home stuck like me and you're looking for something to do, or you know, your new hairdo while you're still home and you can't go to the beauty store, maybe that will help. Can you believe that this wig is a few years old? If you watch my videos, you're gonna see some previous pictures that I took or videos that I took, and I had this wig. I just the lights just went out. I just like the style though. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, find a new way of doing your hair, and enjoy yourself. Peace.